Hey friends, if you wish to convert your speech into a text transcript, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now the transcribe option or the dictate option is not available on Microsoft Word for students and the home and student version. It is available on the paid 365 version that you can buy online, and it is also available for free on this online Microsoft Word, but you cannot generate the transcript using an external audio. But yes, you can use the dictate option. Let me show you. So I am dictating right now. Okay, I have to click on this one to stop it and this one to start it, and as you can see, Microsoft Word has started typing whatever I'm speaking. And I know that it's not correct, but let's say that I say period. Okay, and see, it automatically becomes a valid sentence. It starts with the sentence starts with a capital case letter, and it adds the exclamation mark or question mark or full stop after this. Full stop. Okay, see, it made a sentence out of its own. And then you can also use the editing feature after that to edit any changes or review it, and you can manually make the edits. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.